got a package from Nunya, and yeah, so let me open it. Okay, I got it open. So let me get the first thing out. Oh, okay, so this is the sharpener I ordered. This was all for, like, together is 47 cents. I gave her a tip and gave her 50 cents. But this is what I've got. And then got this. Oh yeah, this is a eraser. These two are, I just wanted to get this for school. And then I got this monkey noodle. It's like, I like the monkey noodle. And a free fidget spinner was included. So yeah, I think I'm gonna buy more stuff from this place because it's really good packaging, and yeah. So bye guys.